Howrah Division launches long-awaited construction of new ROB at Santia. EOI Correspondent Secretary of PWD. Kolkata, June 6. The Howrah Division of Eastern Railway is set to commence the long-awaited construction of a new road overbridge ROB at Santia. This project follows the dismantling of the existing ROB, which, having been constructed in 1925, is now in a dilapidated condition and requires urgent replacement to prevent any potential incidents. The existing distressed structure can no longer be maintained, and heavy vehicle movement was already prohibited following an incident where a coach collided with the ROB's substructure. Additionally, insufficient clearance between the rail level and the bottom of the girder has caused many goods trains to stall at the neutral section, leading to traffic detentions and significant delays for mail, express, and passenger trains. And to provide alternate route, a joint inspection by the Government of West Bengal and the railways on November 18, 2022. Concluded with the decision to establish a temporary manned level crossing for vehicles. This temporary level crossing was commissioned by the Howrah Division of Eastern Railway to divert road traffic from the ROB. Following a series of meetings with all stakeholders, district authorities have approved the closure of the existing ROB effective June 5, 2024. The tender for the construction of the new ROB, valued at 117 crore rupees, has been awarded on a cost-sharing basis between the railway and the state government. Dismantling of the existing ROB will begin on June 7, 2024, and is expected to be completed within a month. Construction of the new ROB will commence immediately thereafter, with an anticipated completion period of 2 years. This project aims to enhance safety and improve infrastructure at Santia, ensuring smoother railway operations and providing a safe and reliable route for vehicles.